Hello everybody. Hi there, Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie here at the Aroma Time Bar. Hope everybody is having a nice day. You are enjoying this Martin Luther King Day and you are plowed out and you're staying warm. Hopefully nobody lost electric. I know for us here down in Aroma Time, it stopped snowing overnight. So when we got up this morning, there was no more snow coming down, but we had to clean up a lot of snow. So hopefully you are all cleaned up and everything is good with you. It was nice to be outside today. It was a little bit warmer, so not as cold as it has been in the last couple of days. So it was really nice. We had a couple of properties my house, my mother's house, our daughter's house, that we had to clean and here at the restaurant. So I'm nice and tired, and I'll be sore tomorrow from shoveling. But let's see. Hopefully you are doing well, and you're sitting with a cocktail and relaxing on this beautiful snowy white day. So let's see. So today I'm going to be making a coconut rum hot chocolate. And we are open here at Aroma Time. We open at 5 o'clock. We do have a couple of reservations. We are still doing our takeout special, $9.99 tikka masala this week, right? Is it tikka masala?
Yep.
Tikka masala this week. So that is to go, $9.99. Our regular menu is available as well. And as a big bonus this month, we are doing a buy one, get one free of any of our menu items. You can only do one. But you can order anything else off the menu as well. You can get a soup and a salad, and then you can get dessert, and then you can get a buy one, get one free entree or pizza, but you can only do it once, and it has to be the same entree that you get. So if you get a ribeye, it has to be 2 ribeyes. If you get the salmon, 2 salmons. If you get a pizza, 2 pizzas. So, and that's valid for one buy one, get one free to go. That is not dine in, that is to go. Marcus has been talking about our birthday offer that will be going out soon, so it's massive, it's huge. Stay tuned for that. Yesterday we had Jess Delicious on. She was on my Facebook Live. That was really fun. I don't normally do a Sunday Facebook Live, but she was on with me, so that was amazing and fun, from Ulster Eateries United. And she got to talk a little bit about what she does. She goes to restaurants, and let's see, and I think that is it. Again, Aroma Time is open tonight. Hope you are all dry and shoveled out. Today I'm going to be making a coconut rum hot chocolate. I've probably made hot chocolates in the past, but this one I'm going to do a coconut hot chocolate with an oat whipped topping. You can use a coconut whipped cream on top if you'd like. But thank you everybody for watching me. Hello Ellen and Connie and Matthew and Hillary. I appreciate everybody watching me. Drop a comment as to where you're watching me from. If you're watching me live, put hashtag live. If you're watching on replay, hashtag replay. Drop me just like a thumbs up so that I know that you are here watching. And leave any comments that you'd like to leave. I'd love to hear from you. So before my my almond milk gets cold, I've already warmed my almond milk. You can kind of see the steam coming off of it there. I'm going to add a little bit of agave. So we here at Aroma Time, we make fresh our hot chocolate, and we make fresh our hot chocolate is always made fresh. So we don't have like Ness's hot chocolate or anything like that. So I add a little bit of agave, and we make our own chocolate milk as well. It can take a little bit longer, so if you are coming in and you're getting a hot chocolate or a milk or just a chocolate milk, I couldn't think of it. Sorry, if you do get a chocolate milk, we do make it from scratch, so please be patient with us. So I added agave. You can add simple syrup or sugar. I'm going to add a little bit of cacao powder, which I've already measured out, and I will mix that in here. And so sometimes it can be a little clumpy. Sometimes, especially because we have to make it like to order, because we don't keep it going. So you can kind of see me mixing it there. You can add as much sweetness or cacao powder that you'd like. I'm going to use this shipwreck coconut rum, so I'm going to add about 1.5 ounces, 2 ounces. And I am going to add my already warmed, if you can see this, which you probably can't, my already warmed hot hot chocolate that I already made. And I am going to top it off with this oat whipped topping. So hopefully this is going to come out here. This will be a little warmer. Sorry, everybody. So let's see if I can get this out. There we go. I'm going to top it with some marshmallows. Thank you for watching. Hello, Amy and Jeff, who are joining me. I appreciate it. Appreciate you watching. Here at Aroma Time, I've been doing these since March of 2020, so it's been really fun for me. So I'm going to top it off with my oat topping and add some of these vegan marshmallows. So this is a vegan coconut hot chocolate. So that is my drink of the day. It just felt right to make something hot and warm today. With all the snow, and it's been so cold the last couple of days. Obviously it warmed up today, which it was really nice when I was out snow blowing and shoveling. It was actually not really freezing. It was like in the 40s or something like that. So I appreciate everybody watching me. Aroma Time is open tonight. We are open for takeout and dine in. Remember, our $9.99 special takeout is tikka masala chicken with our organic brown rice. And we have our buy one get one free offer. And I'm going to take a sip of this and see how it tastes. Coconut. Oh yeah. You can use coconut whipped cream on top too. That is delicious, yummy, and very warming. So hopefully you're sitting at home, you're warm, you're by a fire, you are done snow blowing or shoveling, and you're enjoying a cocktail or just getting ready to come out to Aroma Time or support your local restaurant. So thank you, everybody. I appreciate you watching, and I will catch you all tomorrow. Have a fabulous, wonderful night.